You can earn anywhere from 50 cents to $10 per action within 5 minutes using this method I'm gonna show you today. Yes guys, this won't take you hours and you don't have to spend any money, as this is an absolutely free strategy I found researching for hours and hours. And the best part is this works in all the countries around the world. Guys, this strategy is so simple, but there will be some tiny steps that are so important for this strategy to work out. So make sure you stick with me until the end of this video and you won't regret spending a few minutes here guys. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video just like this. Guys, this is a brand new and a unique method that's completely beginner friendly. So you don't want any knowledge or skills, as I'm there to guide you from A to Z. So you have to come over to cpalead.com. This is a very popular website in the world. But keep in mind, the free strategy that I'm gonna show you today is a brand new method I found, and even I earned thousands of dollars by myself from this site guys. And this website is also used by top level companies in the world, and it was ranked as one of the top affiliate networks in the world, recognized as one of America's top 40 fastest growing companies. It's an American company and winner of the Network Products Guide Hottest Company of the Year award. And they are not the only ones excited about CPA Lead. Hulu, Amazon, Netflix, Spotify, Supercell, Samsung, Electronic Arts, Starbucks, and many more guys. You can see out of 350,000 members, there are some top level companies around the world. And you can see it has started in 2006. CPA Lead has paid over $100 million for people around 180 countries. And check out their payment methods. They have PayPal, Payoneer, Wire, ACH, and they even have checks. They pay you via checks as well. And those of you who wonder what CPA is, CPA stands for cost per action or cost per acquisition. And it's an online advertising strategy that allows a business to pay for a specific action taken by a targeted customer. For example, if someone registered on a website or installed an app or even provided their email address, you'll get paid. I'll show you some examples guys, but before that you need to sign up. So go over here and hit this sign up button. You can sign up by one click of a button via Facebook or Google, and the minimum payment threshold is $1, and they pay daily and weekly as well. And if you don't have a Facebook account or a Google account, you can scroll down and complete this simple form. First name, last name, email, password, confirm the password, choose a security question and answer that. Hit this to confirm that you're not a robot. Read their terms and privacy policy if you need, and submit information to get started. And once you get started, this will be your dashboard guys. You can see your earnings today, yesterday, your monthly earnings and all-time earnings here. And over here you can see these offers, stats, lockers, landing pages, and so on. There are many, but don't worry, this is so simple. And let's get an offer here. So you have to go over to offers over here, and you can select a country, not your country, the country you are going to target, the country your traffic comes from. You can choose all countries, and India, US, South Africa, Poland, UAE, Indonesia, France, Italy, UK, Mexico, and you can see all the countries in the world. So you can target to any of the countries in the world guys. Don't worry about that, it's so simple. So let's see some offers. I'll show you some offers so you'll get an idea about this. So these are the offers. So in this case, this offer pays you $10 guys, $10. You'll see that $10 when they complete registration. This is your link, this is your affiliate link. You can copy this and give this link to people, and when they complete registration, that means when they download this Android app, you get paid how much? $10.15 per each download. You have to read these rules over here. It depends according to the offer you choose. In this case, it says only share with people from these countries. So you can only share with people from the US, and you have to target Android users. Obviously, this is an Android app. So when someone purchases this app, downloaded this app, you'll get $10. This one, okay? And let's see another one. This one, free $100 giveaway, and you will get $1.16. So this one you can target people from US, India, Indonesia and Spain. This is also the same, they have to install the app. So this is the app, so people have to install the app. When someone installs the app, you get $1.16. This is your affiliate link. You can grab your link and give this to people. So simple, right? So you can go through this site and check out some offers, guys. There are tons of offers. This one right here pays you $2.9 for downloading and signing up to this MPL app, and your targeted country will be the US. That's why I told you, you can choose your targeted country from here. You can choose all countries or wherever the targeted country. And imagine if you have some WhatsApp groups or like Facebook groups in your country, so you can choose your country from here. There are all the countries in the world, and choose an offer and share that affiliate link with your friends. That's not a referral link, that's an affiliate link. So once they give their email address, or according to the requirement, once they give their email address, or maybe they have to sign up, maybe they have to install an app, but don't worry, they don't have to pay for anything with CPA offers, guys. They don't have to buy anything. And this one over here, you know TikTok, right? In this case, they pay $1.04 when someone installs this app. What's the app? TikTok. So they are so simple, guys. So simple, earning some money with this. So I'll do an example for you, okay? So let's choose all countries from here and find an offer. What can we promote? Let's see. Maybe this one with new iPhone 11 Pro. Yeah, I'll do this one because this has some offer restrictions as well. And you can see the offer restrictions over here, read them, and the targeting rules. In this case, this is for the people from South Africa, and this pays 35 cents. And this your affiliate link. And as I told you earlier, I think that you understood. If you can understand something, if you have any problems, please comment down below. I'll be happy to help you. So whenever someone clicks on this link, the CPA will take them to an offer where they can have a chance to win an iPhone 11 Pro. Regardless if they win or not, you will still earn the money as long as they do the action, guys. So from where I will be getting the traffic, this will help you. You have to come over to tryinteract.com. Here we can create a simple quiz for free. You can just ask a question or two, and this will keep your targeted traffic interested on your offer. So let's get started. As it says, make a quiz to generate leads for your business. So you can go here and hit this make your own quiz for free. Create this simple form. This will be your dashboard. So what you have to do is to go over to start from scratch over here, and then hit assessment, and here you have to give a quiz title, cover image, quiz description, call to action. So you can see here it's like this, just a photo of an iPhone, and you can give a photo of an iPhone, quiz title, and you can type the description here as answer this simple quiz and stand a chance to win this iPhone. So add an image and come over to results over here, and here you have a call to action button. Here you can type click here to take the quiz, and here you have to give your affiliate link. So come over to CPA lead, your offer, find your affiliate link, copy that, and over here hit this URL button and paste your URL and save it. So this will take your traffic to the iPhone offer, and give a simple question, guys. Go over to questions over here and ask a simple question. Question will be like ask who is Steve Jobs, and give some answers. Owner of Google, owner of Apple, owner of Samsung. Give some answers and set the correct answer by going over to this, and you can choose the correct answer and save it. So it will turn green when your targeted people select the correct answer and will be redirected to the iPhone offer, guys. So you can play around with this and hit publish over here, and you can get the link to the quiz from here. Copy the link. So we have to promote this, right? So how are we going to promote this? So you can come over to Facebook and search for iPhone giveaways, and you can search for groups over here and join each and every group of these and tell them that, hey guys, win an iPhone 11 Pro by answering this simple quiz, and give you a quiz link, and that will drive traffic to your CPA. If you guys have any websites or blogs, you can embed it, but this strategy is for complete beginners. That's why I showed you this. You can use Instagram, TikTok, or any of your social media to promote this. And there's another way you can earn money from this, guys. You can come over to your dashboard at cpale.com and go to your account over here and go to referrals. And here, when someone signs up at cpale.com through your referral link, we will pay you 10% bonus for every lead your referral generates. So for every dollar they make, you will earn 10 cents from them. Guys, that's pure passive income. Imagine if someone earned money from this offer over here, he makes $10 per each app download. So you will earn $1 per each app download. I mean, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to promote or do anything. He will generate leads. You will get paid in pure passive income. Just imagine he got like 100 people to sign up to this account. He'll earn $1,000 and you'll make $100 just doing nothing, right? That's if you refer just one person. You can refer thousands of people. So grab your affiliate link, share this video with your friends, and give your affiliate link. So that will also make you money in passive income, guys. And here's a bonus. This is the best traffic source out there. I would highly recommend. The link of it I left in the description box down below. As you can see, this is a 100% done for you super affiliate system with free buyer traffic from 800 plus million visitors. And guys, this isn't free. I have to tell you that it costs just under 20 bucks, guys. Just pay $17 once and use forever. But as a plus, you have a 180-day money back guarantee. No monthly fees ever. And this is designed and made for complete beginners. And you'll get free buyer traffic in less than 60 seconds. And in this case, you'll get a 180-day money back guarantee, which is really nice, because you can't lose anything by giving this a try if you have money. The link down in the description. I hope you guys will love it, and that will bring more and more traffic, not only to this strategy, but whatever you do on the internet to make money by having some real traffic. So I hope you really got a value out of this video. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Leave a like to this video, share with your mates. Thanks for watching.